Looking for the best oven cleaners that really work? Our channel shares quality videos daily to help you choose the right products fast. Watch till the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful reviews. Number 1. Goo Gone Oven and Grill Cleaner. With a foam-based formula that clings to the surface, the Goo Gone Oven and Grill Cleaner removes years' worth of baked-on grease with minimal effort. This heavy-duty cleaner requires little to no wiping, practically melting stubborn oven grease stains away. The spray is easy to use, but it does spray a bit aggressively, so you may have to wipe off the excess splatter on nearby walls and countertops. Still, with its quick-acting foam-based formula, the solution only had to sit for 5 minutes, which is the shortest wait time among all the solutions we tested. All in all, we think this powerful cleaner does an amazing job of getting rid of grease, which really lives up to the Goo Gone brand name. We love that you can physically see the cleaner lift away grease stains from oven components. Number 2. Zepp Oven and Grill Cleaner. Like our best overall pick, the Zepp Heavy-Duty Oven and Grill Cleaner is a foam-based spray that effectively clings to stains and melts away grease and grime almost immediately after applying. Plus, this cleaner sprays wide and evenly, coating the entire oven surface. We recommend waiting 10 minutes for the solution to saturate, which should allow you to remove most of the dirt with a cloth or scrub brush. Expect areas with hard, baked-on pieces to require a more thorough scrub. Stains that don't lift right away just require a second spritz of spray and a few passes with a razor, in our experience. Like most Zepp cleaning products, this oven cleaner has an intense chemical smell that may be too overwhelming for some. However, for those who don't mind the scent, its effectiveness outweighs the strong odor. Number 3. 1. Easy Off Fume-Free Oven Cleaner. If your oven doesn't require a thorough deep cleaning, we recommend Easy Off Oven Cleaner for weekly and monthly maintenance. While we wouldn't recommend this solution for super greasy spots, we think it's still worth considering for ovens with minimal burnt-on mess. This spray is one of the neatest options we tested. It has a controlled, concentrated stream that makes it easy to aim the solution where you need it. However, it has a long wait time of 1 hour and 15 minutes, so this is another solution that you'll want to incorporate into a weekend cleaning session rather than a post-dinner cleanup. Our main disappointment with this cleaner is that it did not foam as we expected it to upon application. The directions suggest the solution foams as it removes dirt and grime, but we wiped a watery spray out of our oven. That said, we love that this cleaner leaves no residue once wiped away. Number 4. Carbona Oven Cleaner. The Carbona Oven Cleaner Spray is the perfect cleaning solution for weekends when you have the extra time to deep clean and give your oven some TLC. This spray has a wait time of 4 hours, but it turns stubborn grease stains into a brown liquid goo that's a breeze to wipe up with a wet cloth. Tougher baked-on spots may require additional scrubbing, but even in such instances, we didn't have to apply a lot of force and elbow grease. Simply wiping away stains is mind-blowing. Although listed as unscented, this spray does have a chlorine-like odor, but it's not overwhelming and does not linger. The scent dissipates after you wipe down the oven. You can also let the solution sit for just 20 minutes for a quicker daily clean. Number 5. Everneat Oven Scrub Cleaner. While chemical-smelling cleaners may seem more effective, the Everneat Heavy-Duty Oven Cleaning Kit is the best plant-based oven cleaner we've ever tested. It requires a bit more elbow grease compared to the other cleaners on this list, but it's highly effective at removing grime. We also liked using this less abrasive formula made with sodium bicarbonate and pumice stone. The cleaning kit includes the Everneat Oven Cleaner Paste and a metal sponge for easy application and scrubbing. The jar is surprisingly difficult to open, but once opened successfully, the rest of the process is fairly simple. We think this paste works wonders if you aim to lift grime and grease stains. All it takes is scrubbing the cleaner on the oven for roughly 2 minutes and wiping it with a damp microfiber cloth. Your appliance will look spotless. A bit of residue was left after cleaning, but it came off with a dry cloth.